Hi there, can you tell me who you are? Start with you, sir.
My name is Peter Ramsey.
Peter Ramsey. And you, miss?
Liz Chappelle.
Liz Chappelle. All right, great. And tell me where you folks are from.
Tamaqa.
Tamaqa. For a lot of the people that are going to be seeing this, they'll probably never heard of Tamaqa.
Very true.
Is Tamaqa considered coal country
Yes.
in Pennsylvania? Yeah, all right. It's in the coal region, as they say. Okay, great. Actually, as a kid, I spent some time in Schuylkill Haven and
So you know the
Orwigsburg,
area.
so I know the area. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's right. And you're at B&B Automotive today in Fairless Hills, which is a bit of a distance. So tell me, how did you get here? What's the history? We do have a history here with this dealership, don't you? Go ahead. Either one of you wants to take that.
I actually purchased my first car. It was a 2007 Saturn Vue from the Quakertown branch that has been closed down. I then was able to trade that vehicle in and get into a 2008 Hyundai Sonata, which I had up until
Last Friday.
Uh-oh.
Where I got rear-ended and shoved into the back of another car.
Oh, boy.
Yep.
So here we are.
Wow. Oh, boy. Well, Liz told me a little bit about that before we started, and so the only good news in that is that you rammed another competing dealership, right? So that's
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you very much for trying to take out the competition.
I'll never admit to it.
No, but just kidding on that one. But that is unfortunate. But we're pleased that you came right back here to to get your neck. So that leads into something here that how were you treated today, and are you glad that you made the trip from Tamaqa today?
I can definitely say yes. I was able to get into another vehicle. It's a 2012 Toyota Camry XLE with 30,000 miles, which is amazing.
Wow.
They were able to help me out based on the previous loans that I had with the 2007 Saturn and the 2008 Hyundai. It actually built my credit up enough where I was able to get into a better vehicle coming in today.
Oh, that's great. We tell everybody that's one of the advantages of people who start with the buy here, pay here, that if you make your payments on time, timely payments, we report them all to the credit bureau, and then you can really boost your credit score quite a bit. And you're proof of it. The fact that you qualified for a different program. It's not buy here, pay here. The car you're buying here today.
It's pretty good considering that was started just in August of last year.
Wow. Oh, that's terrific.
So from August till now, he was able to jump up.
Oh, that's wonderful. Well, you're the example of what we preach.
There we go.
That's great. Let me ask you, I don't want to hold you up too long, but let me ask you what you two folks do for a living. Everybody's always interested in knowing.
I work at Stadium Hill Cafe in Tamaqa.
Oh, great.
I actually work for a warehouse in Bethlehem. I'm a regional assistant manager, so I'm traveling a little bit and managing warehouses all over.
Wow. Well, you definitely need a dependable car.
Very true.
And you've really got one.
Perfect.
That car. And only, what did you say, 40,000 miles?
30,000.
Well, that'll last you forever.
Let's hope so.
Okay, well, that's terrific. Well, thank you both very much for coming down for your third time. And I'm glad that you're pleased with the results. And would you recommend us to other folks?
Absolutely.
Definitely would.
Very good. And I learned from Liz, I was very surprised. Tamaqa isn't anywhere near as far drive as I thought. I thought it would be 2 hours plus. But
No, it's probably an hour 15, maybe.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah, hour 15. That's true. Well, have a nice
Thank
ride
you.
back, and thank you for your purchase.
We
Thank
will
you.
now.
All right.